Today we're hosting our first annual HISD HCC Career Pathway Fair. We're hosting over 450 high school seniors where they will engage in an opportunity to participate in interactive COE exhibits, career test drives with our nonprofit partner Bridgeyear, and then have an opportunity to hear from HCC current students on student panels.
We want to introduce them early to the future at HCC. We've got next door our centers of excellence just focused on workforce careers, and we're really excited to bring this group of students here with us and just get them focused on all the wonderful opportunities that are going to be in their future.
This is a very unique event. It's actually the first time that we have provided an opportunity where students can really focus on careers and programs at Houston Community College that they can go into right after graduating, and within a year to 2 years earn an Associates of Applied Arts or a certificate and go right into the workforce. What sets this event apart from your typical college fair is that students get to actually learn about the programs, and we provide hands-on experience. We're partnering with an organization called Bridgeyear. What Bridgeyear does is they create hands-on activity that students can actually work through a day in the life of a career. So for example, students can learn how a pharmacy tech works. Students can learn about process technology through hands-on activities. Then they can go and actually talk to HCC programs that provide this type of training.
This event would not be possible without the support of HISD, working closely with the principals, identifying the students for which this opportunity would maximize benefit and value. We have over 450 high school seniors who will be graduating this summer and this spring, and it's a great opportunity to connect them to HCC.